Oh, so here's the predicament I have. This is the car I've been building with you guys now for a couple weeks now. You guys have seen me do the front brakes, rear brakes, standalone harness, gut it, strip it, get it in here pretty much. Well, I've already prepaid for this demolition derby. But now they've announced another demolition derby on the same night that's a little bit farther away that is much better prize money, and this car kind of meets those rules. So I'm kind of stuck between this one, and I don't really know what to do. This one here, this is actually a promoter, and they have much more events for the year. Their rules mostly consist of the front of these frames now. So they have very strict rules. I can't cut the frame shorter. I can't remove this plate. I can weld the bumper on, but I'm allowed very small pieces of steel to hold it on. All of our rules have gone pretty stock here in Ontario. But this one here, I have it cut shorter, and it's got threaded rod, and it's got a gas tank protector, but no cage. And so the rules have changed so much that this car here is very limited to where I can run it. So I'm not really too sure what I'm going to be doing right now. I don't know if I'm going to be building this one or building this one. This one here has got a lot of junk on the top of it. Leave it to me just to fill everything with junk. So I have 4 hours maybe tonight, and this is what I want to do. I want to put my full cage inside of this car. Which is my door bars, my bolt together cage, get it all bolted in, which shouldn't be that difficult. I'm pretty sure I have the right cage here. It's already got all the holes drilled, and I want to weld the cage into this, but this one's going to be very simple. It's just a driver door and a post to post. Now I want to make sure I have the right cage here. I don't know if this is the Illuminati cage or if this is the cage for that car. Should be able to tell. I can't tell. I think it's an Illuminati cage, to be honest. I'll have to figure that one out. Well, I've been working on this thing pretty hard. I haven't been doing a whole lot of videos while doing it because I'm trying to get stuff done. We got the driver side inside bar done. Rules say it could be up to 3x3, so that is 3x3, or maybe it's 2.5. Not sure. I just know it's not bigger than 3x3. I do believe I have to cut it off as it sticks past the post to post, but that's an easy bandsaw before I shut the door. I did bend up my post, 22 and 36 inches I think the bends are at. Did mount the battery box, but that's about all I've done. I haven't got to this car yet. It's getting a little late. I'm pretty tired. I got to be up again for 3 a.m. so I'm going to probably call it a night tonight and come back out here tomorrow and do a little bit more. But maybe tomorrow night I can plan for a gas tank, the rest of the carpet out, airbag out. Maybe stuff like that. I think I want to put this gas tank into this car, because this gas tank has a feed and return. This car needs a feed and return. This one does not have a return, so this one does not need a return line. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take some of the stuff from this car and put it into this car. It just makes for more work. But you know, I do this because I enjoy it, right? Anyway, that's it for today. We still got lots to do on this car, and we have lots to do on this car. And the derbies are on the same day, so I still haven't decided what show I'm going to go to. Am I going to take this one or this one? I'll be back out here tomorrow, and it'll be the same video, so I'll see you guys right back here tomorrow. Well, here we are back here the next day. Told you guys I'd make this in the same video. Kind of did a lot of stuff. I got the alternator done. I got it just moretted. I know you guys just love it when I use morets, so I used a lot of them. Old booster cables just for the positive on the alternator. I kind of have a feeling that everything's going to come into it, so I just wanted to use a crappy cable. That way I could cut the end off and go. Got a lot of electrical done. Got my window bar in. Got the headliner out. Fire extinguisher in. Fuse panel in. Gas tank in. I ended up stealing it out of a different car. But I don't have the fuel line in because I don't have any clamps, so I'm going to go buy some clamps tomorrow. We have it so that this here wire, you just touch that off and she starts. Don't have a, what he calls it, fuel pump, sorry, fuel line, so she's not going to run. But yeah, everything's coming in there pretty good. Very little things left to do to this thing. Just getting her ready. Still got to take the freaking carpet up. It's covered in glass now. I want to take out the e-brake cable. I want to put the under the dash knee protection back in because I don't want to rip my knees open. There was an incident with a gentleman here in Ontario last year that cut his knee open pretty good on the bottom of an underside of a Camry dash. So just want to take some time, and I'm getting older. Stairs are getting harder for me. Just getting beat up, I guess. But this thing's almost ready. But unfortunately, I had to take the gas tank out of this cut one. And I did a whole bunch of looking around for the cage for this, and I believe I lent this cage out to a guy, so I don't think this one's really going to be going anywhere anytime soon, unfortunately. So she's probably just going to sit here. There's so much stuff that's been thrown into this car over the years. I don't even want to look at it. But this one here is almost ready. Yeah, just gonna go from there. Got a little bit more to do to it. Hopefully tomorrow night I can get done, but working the hours I'm working, I'm not enjoying coming home working on this thing. And this is why I do in derby cars, is to enjoy it. But it has to get done. I still have to go through and send some photos for bumpers and see what I can run. Again, it all depends on what show I go to. I did prepay for a show. I just don't know if I'm gonna make it. So that's how far we are with this car right now. There's still a lot to do with the radiators, the shifters, the intake, fuel lines, a whole bunch of small diddly stuff like that. I got to throw the hood back on. So thanks for watching, everybody. We got the cage in yesterday. Very simple cage. I honestly think that's all I'm allowed to do. I haven't really... you know what? I should read the rules a little bit better. I think that's all I'm allowed to do. I got my gas tank box in there. It's just to hold the gas tank. I'm not allowed any type of protector or at all. So this is just my mount here to keep my gas tank secure, so that it. I want to throw another strap around it as well. I just got to get one. So thanks everybody for watching, and this thing's almost done. That's what I love about stock builds. I just wish that we were allowed a little bit more bumper, a little bit more hold stuff on. Like, who knows? So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.